I'm just finishing up one of my no-pea protein bars. And people have been asking me, hey, what's the big deal about pea protein? I want you to start looking at your labels, whether you're plant-based or not, because even if you're not plant-based, you might be buying some non-dairy milks, some vegan yogurts, vegan ice creams have pea protein. Why? Cereals, pasta, granola bars, granola. I found a little cereal bar marketed to kids with pea protein. It's being added to a lot of foods as a filler ingredient and to bump up the nutritional profile unnecessarily. And it's probably a very low grade pea product that's being added. When we have too much exposure to one isolated ingredient like this, it can create sensitivities in our body, intolerances, for me, a lot of inflammation. So start looking at your labels, choose wisely, and try my no-pea protein bars. Enjoy.